Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review.
No information from the street so far?
In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about another Nigel Sylvester Nike ID, man. This one, I completely cleaned the whole shoe up and started from scratch. I put a couple of dope things on the shoe, man. I know you guys can't wait to see it. I told you in the last Nigel Sylvester Nike ID video that I had another one coming and it's finally here, so you know I had to bring it to the channel for you guys. But before we get into that, I'm gonna need for you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we dropping new content to the channel. And also, if you guys want to reach us on our social media accounts, you guys can hit us up on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. And if you guys want to get some of this fly P4YT merch, man, it's on the Instagram, you know what I'm saying? It's on the Twitter. You guys want to get it, you guys can DM us, or you guys can email us at p4yt2016@gmail.com for any business inquiries. Enough with the talking. Let's get into the shoe. Here you guys have it, Nike ID, Nigel Sylvester pack, Air Force One, made by your boy, truly. See, you got the P4YT in the back, Penny for Your Thoughts, representing. It's the first Penny for Your Thoughts shoe, but let's get into it. You can see, got the gum sole. Can't never go wrong with the gum sole, that's a fact. Real sneakerheads know. But as you can see, we got the white patent leather all around the shoe. Got the gold Dubre right here. Got the gold tips on the shoestrings. Got the good quality shoestrings on here. Not your typical cotton shoestrings like on the other Nigel Sylvester shoe, Air Force One. I'll put a link up above so you guys can check that video out if you guys haven't seen it yet. Got the white and gold Nike sign up here. You can see Nike Air there. On the inside, we got the velvet, navy blue velvet in the inside. Looks really good. Like I mentioned in the last video, I wanted to change this and put like regular mesh in the inside, but I'm very happy that they didn't have that option because I really do like this velvet. This velvet looks really good. As you can see, it got the velvet in the back, the white. You see, it got this one has the P4 with the Nike sign. The other shoe has the YT. I showed you guys a little earlier. As you can see on the swoosh, we got the white. We got white leather here. Then you got the blue outline. Then you got the red outline. You know, this is basically my USA Air Force One that I made. You know, it's a 101, of course. It's a Nike ID. As you can see, we got the blue swoosh here. Air hair going around. Gum sole, can't never go wrong with a gum sole, man. This is a very, very clean shoe. I think I'm gonna save these for like summertime, pull them out in the summertime, or I might, you know, a nice winter day, you know what I'm saying? Nice blue jacket, crush it with these, man. These are fire, man. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If y'all like this shoe, if y'all don't like this shoe, man, I'm very happy with Nike for doing this, you know, giving Nigel Sylvester, he's been hot all year. He had the retro one that came out that sold out pretty well. I did a video on that. Also, I'll put a card up above so you guys can check that out if you haven't seen it yet. Then they gave him these, man. They gave him, it was 3 different type designs of Air Force Ones that they gave him for Nike ID, man. They put it out on a special day, and it pretty much sold out, man. So I'm guessing a lot of people ordered pairs. I ordered 2. Once I finished with this one, I wanted to do another one, but it pretty much sold out. I mentioned that in the last video. Couldn't even do any more. I was kind of upset, but I was happy with the 2 that I did, man. Especially this one, because I pretty much blanked this whole shoe out, and I just put everything on here myself, and came out pretty dope, man. I really like this shoe, man. I can't wait to put it on and, you know, see how many looks and, you know, how many people like this shoe, man. But I really, really like it. It's really clean. And usually with like Nike IDs, usually have like a lot of glue and stuff on it, like, you know, a little, you know, it's a 101, so it's not really as clean. It's not really that good quality control type, you know, warehouse stuff. But this is clean, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. This is pretty much a clean shoe. It's fire. It's fire, man. It's fire. Like, these is clean, man. That gum sole, man. Real sneakerheads know you can't never go wrong with that gum sole at all, man. Got the gold Dubre Air Force One right here, man. The old Dubres used to have the Air Force One with the year on it. These doesn't, so you know, can't go wrong. But it pretty much gives you that OG feel, man. That's really what I be chasing when I buy sneakers, is that OG feel. I love old school feels, man. I'm a pretty simple guy. I just like dope sneakers, man, and dope stuff, man. But let me know what you guys think about this shoe, man. Leave it in the comments below. We answer all comments. But it's that time, man. Gotta rate this shoe. And this the last one, I gave a 5. If y'all check that video out, I gave it a 5, man. I never gave a shoe a 5 on this channel before. But it's time for me to rate these, man. And I can't see anything wrong with this shoe. So this shoe is also getting a 5. Not because I made it, but it's just a clean shoe, man. It's a clean overall look, and it's a lot better than a lot of Air Force Ones Nike has been coming out with over the past couple years, man. I'm really happy that Nike's bringing back. They brought back the Air Max ones a lot last year. Now that I'm guessing in 2019 they're gonna bring back a lot of Air Force Ones, because if they were doing the Nike IDs, they're gonna bring back a lot of Air Force Ones. It only makes sense, man. But let me know what you guys rate this shoe, man. Leave it in the comments below. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.